Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Sharp HT-SBW 460 3.1 Dolby Atmos soundbar with wireless subwoofer. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this soundbar to your TV using HDMI cable. Go to the back of the soundbar and connect it to HDMI out ARC. It goes in here. Then you take the other end of the cable, go to the back of your TV. And connect it to HDMI into e-ARC. The next thing to do is you need to use the remote control to select source, or you select this button source to select HDMI ARC. So select source. The source is showing us optical. Select it again. It goes to coax, USB, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, ARC. Then switch your TV on. Go to your TV settings. Select TV settings. Scroll down to sound out. The sound out is showing us HDMI ARC device. So this soundbar is connected. If it's not showing you HDMI ARC device, then you need to select on the sound out and scroll to the side, left side or right side to go to wherever is showing you HDMI ARC device. Then you select on it. This is how to connect this soundbar to HDMI ARC device. And when it's in ARC, you can increase the volume using your TV remote. You want to go to YouTube. Right side will be this is the audio. Second port on the right. Then app. So this is a movie. A particular app you want to your LG TV. So we start off by switching the TV on the room. Okay, and this particular is connected. So this is music. Wi-Fi network. So what you need to do is you need to select when it's in ARC. You can control the volume using the remote control, or control the volume using your TV remote control. From this remote control, you switch the soundbar on and off from this button. This button is Bluetooth. This button is surround. This button is source or input. Use this button to select BT, HDMI, optical, coaxial, aux, etc. And this button is menu. You use plus and minus. Plus is for you to increase the volume. The minus is for you to decrease the volume. The center one is pause and play. This arrow button is for you to go forward to the next track. Back arrow button is for you to go back to previous track. You have bars, plus and minus. The plus, if you select plus, the bars go all the way to +5. If you select minus, the bars go all the way decrease to -5. This button is mute. If you mute the sound, you will not hear any audio. If you select it again, the audio will start. Likewise, this button is equalizer. If you select it, you turn equalizer off. If you select it again, it goes to movie. If you select it again, it goes to music. If you select it again, it goes to night, sports, game, etc. Likewise, treble. If you select plus all the way to +5, increase the treble. If you select minus, you decrease the treble to -5. So these are features from this remote control. And this soundbar is connected using ARC. And HDMI ARC cable is included in the packaging. If you select the TV settings, if you scroll down, sound out. The sound out is showing us HDMI ARC device. Thank you very much indeed.